Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm really happy to share with you a set of 2 profitable, amazing KDP keywords that you can embark on. The keyword niche score is really high and the results are also profitable, and I hope that you take advantage of these 2 wonderful keywords. I'll be sharing much more in the upcoming days, but for now, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, we do daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords as well as tips and strategies to help you make passive income online. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. All of the keywords in this channel are carefully researched using 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of these keywords. Also, we do have KDP interiors available in Creative Fabrica. You can go ahead and check. There are also some free options as well for you to get KDP interiors and start your Amazon KDP business. Now, with that being said, let's head straight to the first keyword for the day. And our first keyword for the day is a preschool coloring poster. And this is an amazing keyword. It has a strong, solid keyword niche score of 85 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension and a total result of 723, which is under 1,000. And that is also a good indication. Coming next to the bestseller rank, it is currently averaging under 300,000, which is ideal, and it is sitting at 180,801. We also have a 88 average reviews and a average price of $12.02, bringing us good revenue. So what we're focusing here on is preschool related coloring books, preferably because it is a poster size. I think that the largest size available for KDP independent publishers and is a large print 8.5 times 8.5 inches. So start to create a large print for these wonderful books, and you can also be able to expand and sub niche to several other niches under the preschool niche. So preschools, I think it's around the age of 3 to 5. Correct me if I am wrong here. It applies here in Finland, that same age, but it is around that age where children learn the fundamentals of grammar, fundamentals of letters, and also the basics of maths as well, and a couple of other things. So they're trying to discover the world around them and try to be as minimalistic as possible. We are creating large print posters that is going to be combined into a poster book. Of course, the quantity really does play a role. Quality is always important. There's no question about that. But quantity here is a winner. For example, the more you are able to offer in terms of the page numbers, the better it is. The parents, the teachers, the caregivers are looking to purchase books under this keyword to keep the child educated and occupied as well. So the more you're able to offer, the better it is. Also, see what the competition is offering at the same time. So although these are individual posters, we can be able to embark in this wonderful niche right over here by creating poster books. And it's basically a set of 50, 100, 60, whatever number you choose, and you can be able to create a general one or a themed one. For example, one about fairies, one about the alphabet, about maths as well, about the basic words, about places, and so many things like that, and combine them into a book. Now make sure that to include a slightly blank paper in between each of the pages. Don't make it fully blank, just add in some elements here and there, but this really helps to avoid color bleeding. So if the child decides to use specific types of texture or markers to color in their poster book, that the color does not bleed through to the other page where it's also a coloring page as well. So make sure to add in a separate blank page with a little bit elements here and there after each of the coloring page, and then also use this blank page as a form of marketing. Market it as it's perfect for scribbling, doodling, writing, practicing, any of that kind of stuff as well, but really it is to avoid the color bleeding going through. And this applies to all sorts of coloring books as well, because children can be able to use textures and markers that bleed through and they destroy the whole book that way. So do embark on this wonderful keyword right here. You can go ahead and get the coloring pages in Creative Fabrica. I have a link in the description box below for a 30-day free trial of Creative Fabrica if that's what you're looking for, and then you can also cancel before the 30 days trial finishes if it's not something that you wish to continue for. Apart from that, let's head over to the second keyword for the day, which is also awesome as well. And this one is math coloring poster. Now, math coloring poster is perfect on all ends. First of all, we have a super terrific keyword niche score by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension that gives us a massive 84 for the keyword niche score. Also, the total results are below 1,000 and they're currently sitting at 361. The average bestseller rank is within that under 300,000 and within that 100,000. So that is also a good sign, and it is currently averaging 127,431. The average reviews are a whooping 1,149, indicating that the majority of the customers are willing to input their review, whether that is star rating or add actual comment or a screenshot of their favorite page inside the book. This is really a good indicator of the engagement that the clients, the customers are willing to put in, whether they are happy or not with the book. Also, the average price is currently sitting at $10.79, and we do have a confirmation by another Chrome extension that we're using, which is Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, and it has given us a confirmation of number 8, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. Now, number 8 beautifully complements the 84 given by Titans, and also number 9 is the highest in terms of the keyword niche score. So I'm pretty happy with number 8 right over here. So another thing is you could also be able to expand and sub-niche to different sorts of age groups for children. So maths coloring poster can be, for example, for children in the preschool age, for children in the primary age, for children in the late primary school age, which is grade 4 to grade 6, for example. Another thing is you can also niche down based on the level of difficulty. So math coloring poster, whether you want it to be for super beginners, intermediate, advanced, whether you want it to be a specific type of math, algebra, for example, fractions, decimals, percentages, you can be able to create a general book or more niche specific books, ones math coloring poster for decimals, fractions, that kind of stuff, to really niche down and to really offer a wide variety of different mini math coloring posters. I wouldn't niche down in terms of the sizing because it is a poster. So the poster is 8.5 times 11 inches. I wouldn't go anything lower than that. So these were the two amazing keywords for the day: math coloring poster with a keyword niche score of 84, and also we have a preschool coloring poster with a keyword niche score of 85. I wish you all the best. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.